Hey everyone, and welcome to Botland Recap number 25. We're finally revisiting the UI. It currently looks something like this. It's very ugly, but it is functional. You could create bots by manually typing in their loadouts. You could buy or sell items over here. Not great. Jason, our designer, produced a mock-up of the UI in this PDF. That's what I'm going to be using to guide my development. You can see that it's a lot more thoughtfully designed than the interim UI that I threw together. There's the store page here where you can buy and sell. You can also switch over to hardware if you want to look at only functional items. You can ignore these sticky notes. They're just some notes as we talked about these. We can switch back and go to edit our bots in the blueprints page where you can click between the different bots you have and finally edit them. You can change out the hardware that you have. I know I'm going through this relatively quickly. This has not actually been implemented yet. What I'll be doing for most of June is transforming the current UI to look more like this PDF. The first 2 weeks, I'm only focusing on laying out the foundation, which means it won't look polished yet, but it will be functional. I'll show you that here. I've largely ignored the news page for now, so there are just some colorful placeholders. What I did spend some time working on was the store. This is functional, although you'll still find some placeholders here. You see store footer content here and picture of lasers goes here, but I can sell items and I can buy items here. As I scroll down, you'll see that as def comes into view for defense, you'll see that it selected this over here and I can click this. This is what's called a scroll spy. If we go back to this news page, and eventually there may be animations to show that these are different pages you're switching between, I can go over to blueprints. I got some work done here, so I can select different bots. This is real data. This is getting pulled in from the database, despite that you don't see all of the descriptions, you don't see how much damage each thing does. And where I left off is the edit blueprint page. This is not totally functional. I can drag things to the side of the UI. I haven't finished that. We're going to be working on drag and drop starting on Monday. Next week, I'm going to finish up this page. Then we'll move on to scripts so that you can type out JavaScript or work with Blockly. And after that, we'll get to the in-game UI. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please join us on Twitch via the link below in the description, and I hope to see you there. Bye.